This time I have got 7 teddy bears. 7 is my whole. Let's write number 7. I'm now going to find all the ways which I can make 7. Let's have a look. I could put 1 teddy bear here and then all of the others on this side. That would mean 7 is made of 1 and 6. Let's write that down as a number sentence. 1 add 6 equals 7. We could also write it as 6 add 1 equals 7. We also know that 7 is the whole and 7 is equal to 1 add 6. We also know again 7 is the whole and we can make it 6 add 1. Okay, so I'm starting with 7 again. And again, I'm going to break these up into different parts. So I'm going to put 2 here and then I'm going to put the rest into this part. So these 2 parts make the whole, which is 7. We have a part of 2 and we have a part of 5. So we can say 5 add 2 equals 7. The part of 5 and part 2 equals 7. We could also say 2 add 5 equals 7. We could also say 7 is the whole, which is equal to 5 add 2. And again, we know 7 is the whole, which is equal to 2 add 5. Let's find another way of making 7. Here is my whole 7. This time I'm going to put 3 teddy bears here and the rest are going to go into this part. These 2 parts make the whole, which is 7. A part of 3 and a part of 4. Therefore, 3 add 4 equals 7. We can also change those first 2 numbers around so that 4 add 3 equals 7. We also know that 7 is the whole, so 7 is equal to 4 add 3. 7 is also equal to 3 add 4. We can now see that we have got all these different ways of making 7. Using the part whole model, we can now see we have got all these ways of making 7. Can you choose a number between 1 and 10 and see if you can find all of the ways to make that number using the part whole method? There is one more way of making 7. Did you figure out which one I'd missed? The whole is 7. Let's move all of the teddy bears here. This is something we've been working on this week. So the whole of 7 is made of 7 add, that's right, it's 0. So 7 add 0 equals the whole, which is 7. We can swap these two around and say 0 plus 7 equals 7. We also know that 7 is our whole, which is made of the parts 7 add 0. And again, 7 is the whole, and we can swap these around, and 0 plus 7. When you're doing your calculations, don't forget to add 0.